Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Chetan Vats and today I am standing on a site of Eldico Amor, which is situated at Sector 33 Sonipat. You can see at my back, just next to me is a National Highway 334B, which is connecting Meerut to Jhajjar. This side is Meerut and the other side is Jhajjar. So this is connecting Meerut to Jhajjar and going towards Bhiwani this side. And if you go directly from this side, 1.5 kilometers away, you will reach NH44, which will connect Delhi to Chandigarh and Delhi to rest other states as well. So much talking about project. Initially I would like to talk something about Sonipat. I will not talk much about project initially. I would like to talk about Sonipat, that why you should invest in Sonipat and why one should invest in Sonipat. See, आज से पहले down the line, if you see, there was not much opportunities in Sonipat to invest with, because there was no regional connectivity was available, no highways except NH44, and this highway is also very recently completed. This is NH334B, which is connecting Meerut to Jhajjar. Apart from that, इसके अलावा दो मेजर चंक्स आता है इसमें, जो मेजर जो इन्वेस्टमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी बनती है इन सोनीपत एज ऑन डेट आफ्टर गुड़गामा, नोएडा, दिल्ली NCR, गाजियाबाद एंड ग्रेटर नोएडा. द लैंड ऑलरेडी very costly in all these places. The land cost incurring too much to builders and so as to end user as well at the same time. So builders now basically moving towards Panipat, Sonipat, and this is the remaining area. This is the area which is really uncovered in terms of overall development, if I'll talk about. Although Eldico presence in Sonipat is not new, they have already delivered a project almost a decade back with the name of Eldico County, wherein they have developed villas and plots as well. So they have delivered a very good project, and the price appreciation is almost 10 times that they have launched with in a 2000, somewhere around 2012, right? So apart from this project is almost covered with 3 IMTs, Industrial Belt, IMT Gohana, IMT Gannor and IMT Kharkhoda. Majorly it's a 360-degree coverage of all these industrial belt to this project, and it will take not more than 25 minutes drive to reach Kharkhoda, wherein Maruti has taken his largest ever manufacturing plant in India, and that is EV manufacturing unit for Maruti cars. And apart from that उसके साथ में ही सुजुकी ने भी एक 100 एकड़ का जो है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट वहाँ इंस्टॉल किया है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट Mahindra and Mahindra, Hero MotoCorp, they have also established 50-acre plants there also. They have installed 50-acre plant. एंड उसके अलावा अगर बात करें वंदे भारत मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कोचेज़, जो कि स्लीपर कोचेज़ मैन्युफैक्चर कर रहे हैं इंडियन रेलवेज़, उन्होंने भी वहाँ पे एक जो है अपना मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट प्लेस किया आफ्टर चेन्नई. सो वी आर एंटिसिपेटिंग ऑलमोस्ट नियर अबाउट 10 to 15 lakh jobs in the coming 2 years, and for that we need to have habitation in Sonipat. So it's a best place to live in because there is no pollution, there is ecological balance is really good, highway connectivity is there. You can reach most important factor which is really contributing to the development of overall Sonipat is urban extension road. My video cannot be over because if I don't without talking about UER, because you can reach airport directly in a time span of 40 to 45 minutes. Earlier it was taking the time, earlier people used to reach airport near about let's say 44 hours approximately. Timing was like 4 घंटे लगते थे आपको यूजुअली एयरपोर्ट पहुंचने में सोनीपत में. डाउन द लाइन अगर बात करूँ एज ऑन डेट ऑल्सो, बिकॉज UER 2 is not yet operational, 90% work has already been done, and the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has already inaugurated Dwarka Expressway, which is part of Haryana, and also a patch which is limited part of urban extension road has already been inaugurated. So in a coming few months you will see this is going to be a life changing for Sonipat development overall, because you can reach Dwarka in time span of 40 minutes, Rohini 20 minutes, Dwarka Expressway again 45 minutes, IGA airport you can reach in a time span of 50 minutes, and so on. So there will be a regional connectivity with central India as well. Those who are traveling from Jaipur, Rajasthan directly can reach Panipat without going to that Dhola Kuan and all those दिल्ली का पूरा आपको सर्कल लेके आना पड़ता था. यू कैन डायरेक्टली कम फ्रॉम यूआर एंड कैन एग्जिट एट एनी पॉइंट to reach Sonipat and Panipat, right? Apart from that, you will also have a seamless connectivity from Delhi to Chandigarh in a time span of 2 hours, Delhi to Amritsar in 4 hours, and Delhi to Katra in 6 hours, 6 to 7 hours. So this UAR2 will going to take you to Katra, and this is also going to be a life changing for the Sonipat people, because you will have that overall development with the infrastructure is developing in Sonipat, so as industries are coming, and also IT companies are planning to come to Sonipat, as well as some KPOs and BPOs are already operational in Sonipat as on date. So if I'll talk about much about Sonipat, so this is all about how the things are going in development in Sonipat. And now coming again to the project, that side of the project, I'm standing right now on National Highway 33OB. Just opposite to this highway, you will have exposure to Jindal Global City, which is more than 350 acre big township, and the pricing is 1,25,000 rupees per square yard. Plot size again 350 square yard to 2,000 square yard. Minimum pricing is like 4 CR starting in Jindal Global City, just opposite to this highway, hardly 300 meters away from this place, right? So that location I am talking about, and this is a project none other than Aldico Amore, second phase of Aldico project, which is Aldico Amore. Aldico Amaya is already being sold out. That land package was 14.5 acres, where all those plots and villas has been sold out. Now we are standing at the site of Aldico Amore. You can see just behind me, this is a site, and you will have total number of 171 plots and 53 villas in this premises. Proper 4-tier, 5-tier security will be there in this apartment. Apart from this, you will see underground electrification, underground STP, and all those water treatment plants will be underground. Wi-Fi connection will be there, that too will be underground, right? You will hardly see any electric pole on the apartment premises, on the plots, right? So except street lights. So water fountains, sitting zone, swimming pool, party lawns, restaurants, all those luxury amenities one can think of, you will have in this premises, in this Aldico Amore plotting and villa site, right? Apart from this, you will have that green exposure, green landscape, and flowers and fauna all across the plots. Wherever you will buy the plot, you will have, each plot will have their own garden, right? And apart from that, you will also have access to this such a grand entrance, as you can see, and beautiful entrance to the project just directly from highway, as I told you. And also the beauty of this project is they are the leading builders in North India. If I'll talk about, they have more than 35-year experience in construction and delivering the projects in real estate. They are the market leaders in North India. Apart from that, they have almost 35,000 satisfied customer, right? If I talk as on date, near about 30,000 satisfied customer, 200 projects, more than 200 projects they have delivered, and they are presently working in more than 20 cities. They have already delivered the projects in all those cities as well. So this is how the things are going to be in the project, and the pricing would be ranging from, the plot size would be ranging from 104 square yard to 142 square yards, and in villas the plot size would be 101 square yard to 137 square yard, right? And if I'll talk about the pricing of the plots, price would be ranging from 73,000 to 83,000, and the same is negotiable. If you are really interested, then give me a call on a highlighted number, right? And if you're watching me on YouTube then please share and like, and also don't forget to press bell icon. And if you're watching me on Facebook and Insta, then please follow us. If you have any doubts and queries related to this project or anything related to real estate in Sonipat, you can post in the comment box. I can help you with that, and I will revert as soon as possible. I keep on posting such videos which will enhance your knowledge related to real estate, not in Sonipat. I cover almost Delhi NCR, Bangalore, Goa, Dubai as well. So basically If you're having any doubts, you can just post in the comment box. I will revert as soon as possible. And thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you so much.